Okay, let's just get right into it. Welcome to our explainer on the NYC Insider's Playbook, which is really your ultimate survival guide to beating the notoriously brutal New York City rental market. Here's the harsh truth. Most people searching for apartments in New York are making the exact same expensive mistake. You can literally waste thousands of dollars without even realizing it just by following outdated advice and falling into classic transplant traps. And honestly, the apartment you actually want is probably gone before you even hit send on that message. But today, we're going to fix that and give you a serious advantage. Section 1, the math of NYC renting, hacking the rules. Because look, understanding the math is absolutely your first line of defense. The math here is totally uncompromising. Landlords use what's called the 40x rule, meaning to even qualify for a $3,000 a month apartment, your annual income has to be 40 times the rent. That's $120,000. Fall short? Well, you're going to need a local guarantor. But guarantors face this absurd 80x rule, meaning they have to prove an income of $240,000 just to co-sign your lease. It's wild. Now, if you don't have a wealthy relative living in the tri-state area, don't panic. There are workarounds for sure. Institutional guarantor services, like Insurant or the guarantors, will actually step in and act as your financial backer for a one-time fee. Or you can just add roommates. This lets you combine your incomes to hit that 40x threshold together. Section 2, the FAIR Act. Keep your cash. This is a massive legislative win that fundamentally changes the whole apartment hunting game. The FAIR Act went into effect on June 11, 2025, and it establishes one simple, beautiful rule. Whoever hires the real estate broker pays their fee. This means if a landlord hires a broker to list an apartment, the landlord has to pay them. You only pay a broker if you specifically went out and hired them yourself. And guys, this is a total game changer. Think about it. Before the FAR Act, securing that $3,000 apartment could cost you over $11,000 upfront because you were forced to pay a 15% broker fee to the landlord's agent. Now, your upfront cost drops to just $6,000, literally just your first month's rent and a security deposit. Absolutely refuse to pay illegal fees for brokers you didn't hire. Section 3, smarter searching, finding hidden deals. It's time to bypass the crowded spaces everyone else is obsessing over. If you're only searching on big aggregator apps, you're competing with thousands of people for delayed listings. It's a war zone. The smartest renters completely bypass that mess and go straight to property management websites. Check out companies like Bettina Equities or Jacobson Properties directly. You're going to get instant access to true no-fee units way before they ever hit the major apps. Also, if you're a student, an immigrant, or maybe a remote worker without a U.S. credit history, you gotta use the co-living cheat code. Places like Cohabs or Outpost Club offer instant algorithmic approval. You get a fully furnished room, utilities are included, and you can get a flexible 3 to 6 month lease. It's honestly the perfect low-barrier soft landing in the city. Section 4, Beyond Manhattan, where the deals are. Because your choice of neighborhood absolutely dictates your savings. Let's break this down. The 2026 median rent in Manhattan's East Village is sitting at a steep $4,650. But if you're willing to just take a quick 15-minute subway ride over to Sunnyside, Queens, your rent drops to $2,695. Go just a little bit further to Parkchester in the Bronx, and you're paying $1,800. You can literally cut your rent in half without giving up your access to the city. Section 5, moving fast and avoiding traps. Finding a deal is great, but now you actually have to secure it. Listen to me. Preparation is absolutely everything. You need to have these exact documents saved as organized PDFs before you even think about contacting a landlord. Have your government ID, your last 2 to 3 pay stubs, an employment letter, your most recent W-2, and your bank statements ready to go. Great apartments disappear in mere hours. If you wait to gather these up, you will lose the unit, guaranteed. But don't let that urgency make you careless. Scammers know you're desperate, right? So never, ever wire money or use Zelle before seeing an apartment in person. Keep your guard up for bait and switch listings. And remember this hard and fast rule. New York state law caps rental application fees at exactly $20. If they ask for a penny more, just walk away. Now, a quick reality check before we wrap up. The rental market is incredibly volatile. Prices are constantly changing, availability shifts in the blink of an eye, and yes, scams exist. Always verify listings, do your own homework, and review legal agreements independently before you sign anything. So you're officially equipped to navigate the chaos, dodge the traps, and actually keep your hard-earned cash. The only question left is, which neighborhood are you going to conquer first with your new playbook?